Morning, friends. As I had promised you last time, that we'll talk about proper, improper, mixed numbers, right? And also we'll look at the conversions. So let's take some examples, right? And let's look at them. I told you in a proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. So 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. Alright? 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. It's a proper fraction. Improper, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 4 by 3 is an improper fraction. Mixed number, you get one whole number and a proper fraction. Right? So that's called a mixed number. Now let's try and convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's take this only. 4 by 3 is an improper fraction. How to convert this into a mixed number? See children, you can use your long division method. Of course, you don't require it for such a small sum, but for understanding the concept, I am using it. So 4 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. So what will be the quotient? 1. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Alright. Now, the formula for the conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number is what? It's the quotient, right, which will come as a whole number, remainder over the divisor, right? So quotient, remainder over divisor. So let's substitute this. What's the quotient? It's 1. What's the remainder? It's 1. And what's the divisor? It's 3. So you see 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So I had converted already. I had converted that. So this is your answer. Yes? Let's apply this formula to another conversion. Let's suppose now I have a slightly bigger number, let's say 13 over 2. Alright? So if you want to use the long division method, you can use it. So 13 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. 2, 6 is 12. 13 minus 12 is how much? 1. Let's apply the formula. Quotient is 6. Remainder is 1. And the divisor is 2. So 6 1 by 2 is the conversion of 13 by 2. I hope you have understood it, right? So you can keep practicing and I'll keep sending the exercises. Now, conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's take this mixed number. 6 is the whole number and half is the fraction over here. So what do? There's a very simple basic thing that we do. We multiply the denominator by the whole number and whatever is the result of this, we add the numerator to it. Do you understand? So I'll show it to you in steps. 2 into 6 you will do plus 1. So 2 into 6 is how much? 12, right? Plus 1 is equal to 13. This will give you the numerator. Now, once you have got the numerator, you will use the numerator as a numerator and this number, which was the denominator, will come as a denominator. See, this 13 by 2 is the same as this 13 by 2 and the conversion was quite correct that we did. The conversion is quite correct over here as well. Let's take another conversion, okay? Let's suppose you have got 13 1 by 5. So as I told you, you multiply this. 13 into 5 is how much? 12 5s are 60. Yes, 13 5s are 65. You can even use basic maths. 50 plus 15, 65. Yes. So keep 65 in your mind, or you can just write it somewhere here. 13 into 5 is 65. And how much should we add? Plus 1. 65 plus 1 is 66. Right? So what's my answer? 66 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So 66 by 5 is my answer. Right? If you want to check this, what would you do? You will change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's try checking this 66 into 5, whether our calculation is right or not. So 66 will become the dividend, remember, and 5 is the divisor. So 5 13 the 65. 66 minus 65 is how much? 1, right? And the formula, quotient, what was the quotient? 13. What was the remainder? 1. And what was the divisor? 5. So we are right. We have calculated it correctly. Yes? So you can recheck it if you want. Alright? I hope this video was useful to you. Right? Now in the next video, when we talk about the addition of mixed numbers, which we have already done in the previous of unlike fractions, we will again do it, and we'll try to do it with results that result into a mixed number, and we'll also do some subtraction of unlike fractions. So I hope you are enjoying your classes on fractions. Happy learning, and keep doing the exercises regularly, and keep sending me the answers, or keep checking the answers when I send the solutions to you. Thank you.